We'll guide you through how to make and start a Google Meet. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Google Meet is a great service. You can video call using it, have meetings, conferences, and more as well. Make sure you're signed into a Google account. If you don't have one, you can go and create one. Then click on Google Apps in the top right, and you want to click on Meet, like so, and you'll be brought to the site. Go and click on New Meeting. My preferred options are the top and bottom ones. So if you want to go and create a meeting for later, you can click there. You're then gone and given a link, so you can press copy to the right, and you can send that to people who you want to join, and you can also use it yourself, so save it somewhere. If we go and paste it into a browser and press enter, here we are. And so what we can do is press use microphone and camera and give it permission. And then what you can do is go over to the right and you can press join now. So you're now in the call and other people will be able to go and join it as well. There are useful tools at the bottom like turning off your microphone or turning it on, as well as the camera, and you've got some other options as well. Another great option is scheduling it in Google Calendar. So you can click there, and then what you can do is go and create an event, and you can come over to the right and add in guests, and guests can go and receive an email regarding it so they can go and save the date and time.